Johnson, and I'm a member of the Dirty Mac team. My task for this assignment was working with the Pi and running the code. I learned about MapReduce strategy and how it implements the master worker design pattern. This information will be useful for questions on my final exam, and if I need to build any programs that require knowledge on the MapReduce strategy. The most challenging part was finding the library for the OpenMP solution.
Hi, my name is Adam, and my task for this assignment was to do some of the questions for the report section. I also helped with some of the code when we met all together for it. I learned about MapReduce and gained a deeper understanding about how parallel programming works. This was also the first time I used C++, which I'm sure I'm going to have to use later on in work and other classes. The most challenging part of this assignment was meeting the deadlines and keeping up with all my work from all my other classes and preparing for finals.
Hi, my name's James Adney, computer science major, and my task for this assignment was to help with the parallel programming task and help with the answering the parallel programming skills questions, and I also assisted with the video presentation. For this task, I learned about MapReduce and learned that large amounts of data must be processed in a reasonable amount of time, which requires distributing this task across thousands of machines. And I also learned that this requires parallelization. And I'm sure parallelization will be useful to implement in future applications and for work and classes too. And the most challenging aspect of this task was working with the code and just trying to find the right library to even compile the code with. So, thank you.
Hello, my name is Mitlesh Dantala. I'm a junior in Georgia State University doing my computer science major. My task for this assignment is that I'm the team coordinator, and I was the one that is able to organize the report and answer the questions. I learned that MapReduce is a mechanism for processing large amounts of data, raw data, for example, crawl documents or web request logs. This data is so large, it must be distributed across thousands of machines in order to process in a reasonable time. This distribution implies parallel computing, since the same computations are performed on each CPU, but with a different data set. MapReduce is an abstraction that allows Google engineers to perform simple computation while hiding the details of parallelization, data distribution, load balancing, and fault tolerance. I also helped my team doing the code, which helped me learn more about MapReduce. I will apply this information in my next assignment as well as my CV for job application. And the most challenging experience in this assignment was to learn the concepts and apply this in the execution of the code. Thank you.